Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Now tap on Permissions on the left if they are not already on, and hit Permission Manager. Finally, you can select one of your device's features that you wish to manage. I will go with Microphone. Then tap on one of your apps, like Chrome, and apply the best option for you by tapping on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like Gmail. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions located at the bottom of the list and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!